Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can disable private servers. I know the title is misleading, but technically you can't really delete private servers. So if you go to Roblox here and you go to your inventory and you are just going to go to your private servers, go to my private servers, and you're going to select the one you want to delete. For instance, I want to delete this one. You're going to scroll down and you're going to configure it. So press these buttons, select configure. And then you're going to disable allow joining here. And you're also going to turn off the subscription status if you don't want to renew the private server anymore. I'm not going to do that though right now, but I'm just going to enable this again. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can disable private servers on Roblox. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!